Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M12 and today I would like to show you how you can change icon style on this device. Start by opening settings. Then scroll down, go into Themes and tap on icons at the bottom right corner. Over here click at the loop at the top right corner and type whatever you want to, for example cat. Now pick icons that you like the best, for example these ones, and choose download. Then click apply. Now apply again. As you can see, style of my icons has changed, but if you want to go back into the default ones, you can always go into the same settings, choose themes, then click at the top left corner on the three lines, select my stuff, click on icons and select default ones. Then click apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!